Hey everybody, welcome back to the Toady Wee Workshop. It's milling time at Spryberry Farm. Scott's got a whole bunch of walnut that he wants to get milled, so we're going to tractor it all over to Morley's. Morley's going to have his mill up and running, and we're going to work through this walnut today. Most of these are going to become beams for the new house. If there's anything left over that's large enough, we'll just keep them as boards and store them up in the lumber barn. Classic traffic jam in the country. Morley's dog was really helpful through this whole process. If you listen carefully, you can hear him giving us instructions on how we should be dropping the logs onto the mill. Morley's a bit of a jack of all trades. He built Scott and Donna's big new barn, and he's got the mill business that he runs on a pretty regular basis. But he's also got some land, and he makes sure that gets farmed too. As we started getting pieces we needed to ship back to the farm, we realized there were a few that were longer than they needed to be and too big to fit in the truck. Morley's about 6 times stronger than me, and usually he does this stuff solo, so because we were helping him, it took us about twice as long as normal. As the blades get dull, they can start to drift and you start losing a straight line in your wood, so every so often Morley will swap out a blade. He can sharpen the blades himself, so he'll get a few uses out of each blade over the course of its life. Yeah, well, Morley can run on brute force and sawdust all day, but the rest of us need some food. Hey, thanks a lot for watching. Hope you liked the video, and we'll see you again soon.